First and foremost, we thank School Innovation Marathon for giving the opportunity to present our innovation. Smaller actions can solve bigger problems. Keeping this objective in mind, our innovation is as follows. In chemistry lab, while doing experiments, our students found a problem. When an acid or hot gases fall on skin or any part of the body, it is affecting like an electrical shock. We are not interested in any of the ointments or chemicals to apply on the wounds. We thought of how can a wound heal immediately without any no side effects. Due to wounds or pains on the body part, the pH will be decreased. Hence, we have to apply the substance which increases our pH, the body's pH. Hence, we can immediately relieve from that pain. So, we thought of any organic substance or natural plant that have balances the pH. Yes, there is. God has given us many opportunities for healing. The solution to the problem is aloe vera gel. So this aloe vera gel can be placed in the laboratories, kitchens, playgrounds, markets, schools, home, etc. In the kitchen, if oil fall on the skin, then immediately we can pluck some aloe vera gel, and when we put on the body, it will be healed immediately. Or the acids or gases in the laboratory, or in the playground when kids fall and broke their hands or legs, then we can apply this gel. How it works? You may be surprising how a plant can heal body or wounds. The reason is just the substance in the aloe vera is a base or alkali. As wounds are due to acids, the pH will decrease and we get pain. But when we apply aloe vera, as it is a base which is an opposite of acid, the pH increases. Thus neutralization reaction takes place and hence body gets healed. This aloe vera is a mind healer too because it gives abundant oxygen. You may be wondering how mind is healed. When aloe vera pot is placed indoor, the extra oxygen is circulated in our brain and body parts. So finally, heal your body and mind naturally. It is free of cost.